So, this is Sarah, and that's me. I'm Carlotta. We had planned to give you a GoPro meets Google Earth view of Michigan Avenue. There was one little problem in our day. We got distracted. Oops.
Did you know after you walk and talk with somebody after like a few seconds, your footsteps start to synchronize?
Seriously? Are our footsteps in sync?
Well, now that you thought about it.
Dude, that building totally looks like a monster. Ah!
It's too fast again. I
Making
can't.
my way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and I'm homebound.
You don't need much to enjoy the mile. Just a friend and some time.